Yeah, because we're not gonna make a project that's gonna be ugly. You feel me? What is it?
Your ears are turning crazy color.
Wait, what are my ears?
Oh, they're just red.
Chad, do I look crazy?
He's burning. That's okay.
Here comes the sun, doo 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 doo. Here comes the sun. Okay.
No earplugs, no eye protections, nothing.
Bro, Chad, in Europe, you're lucky if you have a surge protector, okay? I'm kidding.
I feel like eye protect. Man, we should have brought our little, what's it called? Our shooting glasses. I feel like those have to work for something.
Oh, is this too loud for you guys? Like I was 3 years
Arthur,
old.
cut the damn
I am.
wood and then tell the story after.
I am. Julia's great. I know. These are like a little bit banana.
LARPing as a European.
Fine, fuck it. I cut all of them like this so I'll stay consistent.
Okay. We love a consistent.
Okay. So now, the bristles that are ugly and they're like falling out, we will have to like adjust that. So
that'll be my job.
Yes, all I want you to do is do the beauty work.
Okay.
Because this even, I almost want to say, I don't like this. What I will do.
I can just sand it down.
Yeah, it's not about that. It's just kind of like to prettify it.
Okay. So you want to cut it off and make it even so those holes aren't there?
I just think it's hella ugly.
Okay, we'll try it.
Like, it's like almost.
So you'd have to cut it along right here.
Yeah. Oh, that's easy though.
Yeah. Well, careful with your fingies.
Yeah, I'm just thinking if I have anything to like hold it down mid TTV, because I won't hold it like that. Don't worry. But I'm thinking about something to hold it down.
Well, even if you cut some of the bristles, like it'll be fine because I'll beautify it anyways.
Yeah, actually this is pretty a-okay. And then, yeah.
I'll make the bristles pretty. It's okay.
Well, I just don't want the bristles too, you know. But yeah. Okay.
Well, I can sand the rest.
Could go a teeny tiny bit further. Unless, I think what I'm going to do is, we can just sand it. Mm-hmm. We do have a router as well, but this is pretty good.
Okay. Let me
Chad,
see
this is like, not the cleanest job yet,
away.
but...
Let me see what I can find inside. Yeah, that's not bad.
Shit, my Samsung phone keeps disconnecting. Chad, I can't see you. This is so sad. Okay, again, I'm just trying to make sure that the bristles are getting hit as little as possible, because again, one thing that I don't want push pop to have like any plastic or anything to accidentally end up chewing on. Because I know these bristles, you know, cool if they're all attached, but if they're flimsy, we just gotta cut that away completely. Yeah, if I go closer, I'm cutting away too many bristles. So that's pretty nice. That's one more. We got 3 more. Use the bristles. Cut them nice and steady. Watch your fingies. Dude, that's almost a given. Wait, I feel like I had this one. Oh yeah, I had this one. Oops, I'm trolling.
So they do obviously have like sanders.
Yeah.
But
you were saying?
I'm not too sure.
I almost want to say it's probably easier with a knife. Like I have a carpenter knife.
A knife?
Yeah.
I need some probably smaller scissors than that.
Yes, sir.
If you drill holes horizontal across the brush
heads you could feed some small gauge washing line through and use eye hooks at the sides to adjust the height.
Yeah, it's a good idea. I was like thinking about something that is kind of like a pin system, where if you will have like multiple holes, either on this, but I think the brushes itself will always be attached onto something, and the construction itself will go up as a full thing, and it will also be like you can like also make it wider as a whole thing, not the individual pieces. I think that's just going to be overall nicer. Okay, Chad, I'm gonna be honest, I had to pee like an hour ago. Now I've been sweating so much I don't have to pee anymore. Did I produce battery acid? Is it unhealthy? Yes?
Remember to ask Maya if she has any holes that need digging at Alveus.
Hey, that's something for Julia to ask. My job is to make Push Pop the happiest tortoise in the world. Okay. So we have a shitty Ryobi router, but they have like the good stuff.
I mean, he's done working in the barn, so we could go in there. You
Yeah,
know?
let's look at the routers real quick, because the router that I have is from Ryobi. Bro, if I use that thing twice, it's probably going to be. I also don't think I have like the correct corner. Now, router. Thank you for the 4 months. Oh my god, they have, oh my god, this is, okay, we don't even need a router, this is perfect. Is this plugged in? Because we just like hold the thing like very carefully and get the angles. I think we do this here real quick. It's plugged in, how do I turn it on? There we go, hold on, careful chat. So if I had to guess, Alveus has a system where they have things safe. Cable. No, this is this cable. This is that cable. This cable, yeah, it's not plugged in. That's what I thought. Very nice. There we go. And now, oh my god, holy fuck, chat. This is so sick. I don't know if you understand this, how cool it is that they have like literally everything. Julia, they have literally everything.
I
This
know
is
it's
crazy.
nice in there.
Let's get those 6 pieces.
What are we doing?
We're gonna sand the edges a little bit,
Okay.
so it doesn't have these like hard corners.
Okay.
So all of them just get a little bit of sanding, and then they look nice. Hello. Hey. Well, thank you so much for letting us do this.
Oh, everyone's so nice here.
No, this is actually, I'm not even joking. The fact that also Maya agreed to this is because, let's be honest,